Tired of your awesome videos being stuck on your Android phone? Let's get those memories onto your iPhone in a flash. First up, Google Drive. Open the Google Drive app on your Android. If you don't have it, download it from the Play Store. Then sign in with your Google account. Tap the plus icon, usually located at the bottom right corner, to create a new upload. Select Upload and browse to the video you want to transfer from your phone's storage. The video will begin uploading to Google Drive. The time it takes will depend on the size of the video and your internet speed. Now, grab your iPhone and open the Google Drive app again, download it from the App Store if you haven't already, and log in with the same Google account you used on your Android. Locate the video you uploaded. It might take a few moments to appear if it's still processing. Tap the three dots next to the video file. This will open a menu with more options. Scroll down and select Save to Photos. This will download the video and save it directly to your iPhone's Photos app. You may be prompted to give Google Drive permission to access your photos. And that's it. Your video is now on your iPhone, ready to be shared, edited, or just enjoyed. Alternatively, connect both your Android and iPhone to a computer with USB cables. Transfer the video from your Android to your computer, then from your computer to your iPhone using iTunes or Finder. It's a bit more involved, but works great too. Now you know how to easily transfer videos from your Android to your iPhone using Google Drive or your computer. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. #AndroidToiPhone #video transfer.